Imagine you possess a mental fortress, a place inside you where anxiety, insults, and the chaos of the modern world simply cannot enter. This isn't a superpower. It is a 2,000-year-old operating system for the human mind used by emperors, slaves, and soldiers. This is Stoicism. And if you're tired of reacting to everything, this is for you. First, let's kill the myth. Stoicism is not about having no emotions. It's not about being a statue. It is about the domestication of your emotions. It's the difference between feeling fear and letting fear drive the car. A Stoic feels everything but is controlled by nothing. The core hack is simple: the dichotomy of control. Epictetus said, "Some things are up to us, some things are not." Most of your suffering comes from trying to control things you can't, like other people's opinions or the past. Master this distinction, focus only on your own actions, and you become invincible. So how do you use this today? Try the Stoic pause. When chaos hits, don't react immediately. Stop, take a breath, ask yourself, is this within my control? If yes, act with virtue. If no, accept it and move on. That pause is where your freedom lives. You don't need a quieter world, you need a stronger mind. Subscribe to Stoic Hacks to build your mental fortress. We turn ancient wisdom into modern power. See you in the next one.